Hello, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on what can be considered the creme de la creme of hand pruners. The Corona BP 3214D ComfortGEL Bypass Hand Pruner. If you're serious about your gardening game, this is the tool you need by your side. Now, let's get straight into why this pruner stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk comfort. The ComfortGEL grips on this pruner are not just soft. They're ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and control. Say goodbye to hand fatigue, even during those long pruning sessions. But it's not just about comfort, folks. This pruner means serious business when it comes to performance. Thanks to Corona's MAXFORGEDTM steel, this tool is built to last. The forging process compacts steel molecules, resulting in the strongest, most durable tools that stay sharper longer. And who doesn't love a tool that stays sharp? Now, let's talk cutting power. The dual arc bypass blade on this pruner efficiently cuts through both green and dry branches and stems. No more struggling with stubborn branches or worrying about damaging your plants. And here's a feature that sets this pruner apart: the integrated shock guard bumper. This little addition reduces hand strain and fatigue, allowing you to tackle even the toughest pruning jobs with ease. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: maintenance. With the Corona BP 3214D, maintenance is a breeze. The non-stick high-carbon steel blade ensures smooth, enhanced cutting performance, while the full steel construction provides maximum strength and durability. And here's the best part: the blade is resharpenable, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Corona BP 3214D ComfortGEL Bypass Hand Pruner is a must-have tool for your gardening arsenal. Say goodbye to hand fatigue, hello to effortless pruning, and watch your garden thrive like never before. And that wraps up our review of the best Corona hand pruner on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!